So back to my Thomas Hobbes paper and Tainted Realism. What a great title. But let's go down. So now I'm going to show you how to actually make documents in Google Drive. So I'm going to get rid of that stuff we did last time. There it is. Okay. So I don't know if you noticed that, but whenever you change something, it says saving, meaning it's automatically saving whatever you're doing. There's no file, save as. It automatically does it, and all you have to do to rename the file is just click there and type in a title for it. Okay. So let's go back to my Google Drive. And let's see. I want to make a new paper, and let's say it's from my third period physics. So if this was a real class, the assignment sheet would be in there. I could take the assignment sheet off there and look at what my assignment was. Then click create. Actually, what you have to make sure to do is make sure you're in your drive when you're clicking create. If you create a document in here, it'll create it so that it'll share with everyone in that class. So click create and document. You can make a document, PowerPoint, Excel, spreadsheet, or a bunch of other types of things. So document. And this is just a blank document, regular sort of simple interface. I name it Falling Ball Physics Paper. Okay, and now this will appear in anywhere I go where I sign in with my GDS account, this Falling Ball Physics paper will appear there. So it's really simple. There's just regular kind of word processing sort of type, and then you have fonts, you have sizes, and it's all pretty simple. You can hide things if you want, so it makes it look like more of kind of an app rather than a web page. That's kind of the basics of creating documents within Google Drive. Also, one thing that's good to know is to be able to put documents in Google Drive. All we have to do is open up Finder, which is pretty much just a list of all my files on this computer, and it's just sort of a simple drag and drop where I just have to find the document I want in there. So let's see, I want this image here, and I want to have that in my drive. So all I would do is drag it in, and it uploads, and now I have this image in my drive, and I can open that up and I can see, and it'll be on all my mobile apps. And this is just an image of a certain app I had, and now that is in my Google Drive, and everywhere I go, everywhere I sign in, I'll have that image. So it's the same with documents. You just have to find it and then drag it in. And so I have, if you look at my Finder over here, I have this little folder called Google Drive, which we looked at before. But what you can do is drag that, hold down, and drag that into the bottom right side of your dock, where it'll create another folder, and you can see all your folders just pop out like that every time you want them. So it's pretty much like having your own separate little area where you can keep all your documents, and you keep this folder will stay in your dock on your computer at all times. So that's what I want to show you, is how to upload documents. And all it is, just remember, is a drag and drop. You find it and you drag it into Google Drive, into the whole area you want. And then after that, you can even drag it into certain folders. And it's simple as that. So I'll see you next time in the next video. Thank you.